Good morning all. Today our topic is addition and subtraction of algebra. So how to do addition and subtraction in algebra. So these are integer rules we will follow. Already you know about these rules. Plus is plus, plus minus is minus, bigger digit sign, minus plus is minus, bigger digit sign, and minus plus, but sign always minus. Okay, so simple how to add. If like variables we have 5x, 3x. How to add? 5x plus 3x to 8x. Simple we will add 2x comma 3x minus 2x. How to add? 2x plus 3x minus 2x. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 3 2. And I told you, like in the algebra, like variables with opposite sign always cancel. This is 2x, this is minus 2x. So like variables with opposite sign always cancel. So answer is 3x. This way also we will solve. And other method, 2 plus 3 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. Suppose we have a unlike variables 5x plus 3y. Now these are unlike variables 5x, 3y. This is x, this is y. So unlike variables never add or subtract. Okay. So our answer will be as it is 5x plus 3y is the answer. Clear? What I told? Unlike variables never add or subtract. Next, there are two methods to solve our addition or subtraction. First method is column method. So which method you like, you can do. But if asked in the question, then you have to apply that method only. So first method is column method. So suppose your question is like this: 3a plus 2b minus 4c, comma 2c minus 5b plus 8a. Suppose like this question. So column method we will write below. First part we will write 3a plus 2b minus 4c. Now first is here 3a. You search here where is your a variables. A variable is your 8a. So with sign you have to take. You will not take only 8a. You will take with your sign. So here is plus sign 8a. Now b part says 5b, but not 5b, minus 5b. So with sign you will write minus 5b. So minus 4c, c is here 2c. So if there is no sign in algebra, always plus sign. So plus 2c. Now we will add according to integers. Okay, and we are adding this. So minus 4 plus 2 minus 2c. Minus plus is minus, bigger digit sign 4, then minus 2c. Again plus minus is minus, bigger digit sign is minus, then minus 3b. And 8 plus 3, directly 8. So this way we will solve. If we have a 3 parts, so below that we will write together first part, second part, third. Then we add and according to integer. So one more example I am giving you. Column method. Suppose your question is 2ax plus 3by plus 4cy. I am adding these rules already you know. 5by minus 3cy minus ax and 6cy plus 4ax minus 9by. Okay, 3 parts. So first part you will write as it is 2ax plus 3by plus 4cy. Now below that second part, ax you will search here, ax minus ax you will take. Then by is your 5by plus 5by. No sign means plus sign in algebra. And cy is your minus 3cy. Now third part plus 6cy. So you will write plus 6cy then plus 4ax, which sign you have to take, then minus 9by. Okay, so now integer we will follow. 6 plus 4, 10, and 10 minus 3 is 7, plus 7 c1. Okay, now firstly add, then subtract. 5 plus 3, 8, and 8 minus 9 is minus 1. So minus 1 we never write in algebra counting. How to write? A, 2a, 3a, 4a, like this. 1 we never write. If nothing written here means one digit written in algebra. So we write here B1, because letters never write. So here 4 plus 2, 6, and 6 minus 1, because minus ax. Here again not written any digit, means here 1. Here one digit already. We will never write 1, but that is our mind we will keep. Okay, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 minus 1, 5, ax. So this is our answer. 5ax minus by plus 7y. This by means 1by, but we will not write here. So this way we solve our column method. Now next method is our row method. Second method, number 2, is row method. Row method simple. 2a plus 3b and 6a plus 2b. Simple we will write in a single line. 2a with 6a. A variable with a. 2a plus 6a plus 3b plus 2b. Okay, 3b plus 2b, 2a plus 6a. Like variables together. This is a pair of like variables and this is another pair of like variables. Now 2 plus 6, 8a plus 5b. Now both are unlike variables, and unlike variables never add and subtract. So this is our answer. This is a row method to solve addition. Now subtraction. Now subtraction. First thing I will tell you what you have to keep in your mind. Suppose written 3x from, subtract 3x from 5x. Subtract 3x from 5x. So always keep in your mind last minus first. 5x minus 3x equal to 2x. Same question I am giving you, written subtract 3x from minus 5x. You always confused here. Next question is your 3x from minus 5x. So firstly we write this minus 5x here. Then from means minus, and what subtract 3x. Now minus minus is plus, bigger digit sign is minus, so minus 8x. One more example like this. Suppose minus 3x from minus 5x. Okay. How to do? Again last minus first. Minus 5x, one from minus sign, and this is already minus 3x is given part. Okay, firstly writing given part minus 3x, then solve minus 5x, minus minus plus 3x, and 5 minus 5 plus 3 minus 2x. Bigger digit sign will come and minus plus is minus. This way we solve subtraction. Now we are more than 2 terms. So more than 2 terms or single terms also, we have again 2 method. First method is your column method. Any method you can do, but if written this method, then you have to use only that. So column method, suppose your question 2a plus 3b minus c from 4a plus 5b plus 6c. This is your question. So from means this minus this. Okay. So we will write in column. Firstly last variable, last part we will write. Okay, not first, because from means last minus first. So 4a plus 5b plus 6c. Then 2a plus 3b minus c. So the minus, what you have to keep in your mind when you are doing subtraction, after write in column method, you have to change the sign. Because in the, why we are changing sign? Because in the subtraction we subtract, we minus, then this second part change sign because we are subtracting this from this. So minus changing plus, this minus changing plus, and what is the sign here if no sign? Plus sign, then plus changing minus. Second part sign we will change. Now we will use new sign, not old one. Old one we will not use. Okay? These we will not use. We will use new sign now. 6c plus, here no number means 1. So 6 plus 1, 7c. Here 5. Now we will use this minus, not plus. So 5 minus 3, 2b plus 2b. The additive sign plus. And 4 minus 2, 2a. So this way we will solve column method. Now row method explaining. We will change firstly sign. Keep in your mind when you are doing column method subtraction. So next is your method number 2, row method. Row method, your question is same question we will do. 2a plus 3b minus c from 4a plus 5b plus 6c. Okay, so from last minus first. So in the row, single line we will write firstly second part, 4a plus 5b plus 6c. And we always use bracket in row method subtraction. And first part also in bracket, 2a plus 3b minus c. So from this minus this. Now what is our next step? Open the bracket, 4a plus 5b plus 6c. Now you know subtraction, in the column method also we change the sign, and row method also we will change the sign. Now minus is here, so inside all sign will be changed because we are doing subtraction. So here plus, plus changing minus 2a, plus change again here minus sign means plus changing minus, plus minus is minus also, this way also, and minus minus plus, or we will change the sign here minus, then plus c. Now like variables together we will write 4a like with minus 2a. Then you do underline or small tick which you have taken. So now a variables taken, now b plus 5b, and this pair 5b is minus 3b, and this 6c plus 6c plus c. Okay, now we will add like variables. 4 minus 2 is 2a, 5 minus 3 is 2b, and 6 plus 1 is 7c. So now these all are unlike variables. Don't add 2a plus 2b. Okay, 2 plus 2, 4, like don't add. Why? Because now they become a unlike variable. So this is our answer. So this way we will do subtraction and addition of algebra.